Come see Lyco Manufacturing at the upcoming 2026 Northwest Food Process and Packaging Expo on April 20th and 21st at booth 301 at the Oregon Convention Center in Portland, Oregon. Hi, I'm Mike Myers, Director of Sales here at Lyco. For over 45 years, we have been the industry leader in cooking and cooling pasta, rice, vegetables, and dry beans, as well as chilling food service, hot-filled flexible pouches of soups and sauces. We offer 4 main product lines. Our largest product line is our cook-chill equipment for pasta, rice, dry beans, and vegetable cooking and cooling needs. For medium to large processors, Lyco offers CleanFlow. This design has been around since 2007, and it's ideal for processors that require multiple product changeovers in a day. Our patented HydroFlow technology increases recovery by 10 to 15%. CleanFlow is also the most sanitary designed cooker or cooler in the food industry. For chilling hot-filled flexible pouches of soups and sauces, Lyco offers our Mini Flex Chill Flow. This small compact design can run in either batch mode or continuous mode, and the system can also be used for sous vide cooking and cooling. Just being released in 2025 is Lyco's newest solution called VersaFlow. The VersaFlow system was designed for smaller capacities with quick changeovers that can happen within just a few minutes. It works best for running multiple products in a day and is very versatile because it can run all vegetables, including potatoes, as well as long and short pastas, dry beans, grains, rice, and proteins. In 2024, Lyco released TemperFlow for fully cooking rice, potatoes, and dry beans. This newest innovation is a game changer in the rice industry. The TemperFlow rice cooking solution is ideal for fully absorbed low moisture rice. The TemperFlow is also ideal for fully cooking potatoes or salads or mashed potato lines. Lyco's second product line is our liquid solid separating equipment. Depending upon the application, we offer internally fed and externally fed screens for total plant wastewater or dewatering products from pumping transport systems. To meet sustainability goals, Lyco's water reuse system saved our customers over 4.8 billion gallons of water in 2025. We call this system our sanitary zero maintenance screen, and it is ideal for in-plant applications. Our third product line is root crop peeling and scrubbing of potatoes and carrots. We offer the most sanitary root crop peelers in the industry. The unit comes with a 2-way flip-top cover for easy access for maintenance and cleaning. And Lyco's final product line is Snap Green Bean snipping and washing equipment. Our mini snippers have a 95 to 97% snipping efficiency. So please come and see us at our booth to discuss how Lyco Manufacturing can help with your upcoming needs. You can also visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our office at 920-623-4152.